What's going on, you guys? It's Mike from MikeMoneyTips.com, coming at you with a piece of software I think you might like. It's called Affiliate Autobots. It's basically, you see this website right here of where people are making money online with it in just the last 28 days, and that's with ClickBank, WarriorPlus, or JVZoo. You can use it on any one of them. And they're doing all automation and artificial intelligence. They automatically choose an affiliate program, automatically get free traffic, and make huge automated commissions. I should know because I'm one of the insiders. Every month I make 5 to 15 grand, all with AI software. You get 37 bots, and trust me, they work. It's $1,000 a day as an affiliate. Generate affiliate commission spikes and free traffic, complete PDFs, videos for newbies or advanced. It's turnkey traffic with AI. Unlocked 700,000 traffic opportunities. For affiliate, e-com, social, local, SEO. Explode your site. Turn any visitor into buyer with 10 widgets. Just copy one line of code, paste it onto your website. One-click YouTube videos. The fastest way to create videos for any affiliate program. 10th most expressive tool. 7,500 affiliate programs. You can plug into a daily stream of the top affiliate programs of our software. Clinches 500 metrics daily. You just log in and see what's working today. In other words, you don't have to go through and keep hunting on JVZoo or ClickBank or WarriorPlus. It does all the work for you. Profit with affiliate marketing in 1/100th of the time. Here we have step 1. First step, choose a profitable affiliate program. There's 7,000 affiliate programs. You got WarriorPlus launches ClickBank, JVZoo, 6 software tools that find the highest affiliate offers, update every 24 hours. Our bots crunch 500 metrics to give you the money making data every day. First, find every new product launch on ClickBank, WarriorPlus, JVZoo, Pay.com. View Google and YouTube SEO competition. Track and view all JV email updates and filtered by keyword, price, commissions, JV prizes, and more. Isolate ClickBank Profits top 250 ClickBank products and niches by gravity. New untapped products filtered by commission, gravity, Alexa traffic, updated every 24 hours. Here you got JVZoo, which they call King of the Zoo. It's a 5-figure a day affiliate program with EPC sales, price conversion rate updated daily. Traffic, secret database of top promotions from the last 6 months, updated for February. These made him 5,000 in December, and January 3 grand so far in February. Hosting affiliate bots. Find programs that pay $100+ commissions. New product launches with 50+ sales, updated twice a day. Step 2, Autobot. Your conversion of any website you own, just buy, copy, and paste one line of code. And create website in 60 seconds. We'll come into that later. Want to create a website in 60 seconds just by copying and pasting one code. You get this web widget which turns your visitors into buyers. Note, this absurd feat, making money, is only possible because I dug through over many analytics, see 500,000 visitors converted up to 5,000. Spent 10 years approaching 7 figures building software. With this widget, just copy and paste. Returning people who come back later to your website, hot visitors, engaged visitors, operating system, coupon pop-ups, geo-targeting, which means if it's local to you or wherever they're at, it helps you out a lot. Or don't have a website, I got you create an instant website, one-click pages, plus discover $1,000 domain names with Domainaveli software tool, and find 100,000 dropped domains with my new tool. Deploy 37 Autobots to your affiliate campaigns. You could be generating daily commissions like this. Step 3, get buyer traffic with our 239 billion AI traffic search. Now, to get traffic, ideally very targeted traffic, this is very important, and in 2019 all you need to get an edge. That's why I spent 6 months building the ultimate traffic tool. Presenting the bots, the AI search engine, we took most traffic 100,000 websites on the internet with over 239 billion monthly visitors. Now, y'all realize on Google they have over 1 billion searches a day. Matter of fact, I think it's over 1 billion an hour now. But you know, this software can really help you out a lot, especially if you're running PPC or display or SEO traffic, social traffic. It helps you on Facebook, Twitter, all that mess. Advanced tools for people already doing it. There's a lot to take in, so let me say it with the numbers. Traffic opportunities for 100,000 sites in just one click. You see it'll work for marketers, affiliates, ads, AdSense, Facebook, Twitter, list building, display ads, mobile, PPC. You can do it by age, SEO, e-com. We aren't even done. Affiliate bots lets you create videos, auto rotate, ClickBank banners, and dominate YouTube, Flippa, resell, email marketing, and more. If y'all don't know what Flippa is, y'all really need to check it out. It's really cool. It's where you can buy apps, sell apps, flip apps, websites, bunch of digital stuff. It's really a cool place. Use Rapid Video Creator, create an instant video for your keyword in seconds. Discover 2,000 banner for 1,000 ClickBank affiliate program. Monetize your website in one click. Research 360 sites on Flippa, generating $200 to $26,000 a month. Brainstorm website ideas. Find even more traffic opportunities. Bonus bot resale rights. Y'all know all these people give stuff away for free. What it is PLR stuff. This goes out and finds it for you. Private label rights, which allows you to either give it away, sell it, whatever you want to do. Stop the Press now launches new 37th modern bot. Send unlimited emails to unlimited lists on auto responder. Basically, it's another auto responder software. 37 software tools, which is making them $417 a day. As you can see here, just dropped $17,160 building the software site. You can just walk right through the back door, get instant access and everything for 15th of that if you act smart and act now. Here you got the 37 software tools, which is valued at $4,670. AI search engine traffic, which trust me is worth a lot more than the $1,000 they're saying. The website gadgets, or the web widgets, I'm sorry, copy and paste is valued at $1,000. Auto website tool valued at $97. Let's face it, people, you can sell websites for a lot more than $97, and with this you can create it in about a minute for anybody, for anything. Banner bots, $47. ClickBank affiliate software, $67. Affiliate ads, Launch Pulse, which will, if y'all know what launch jacking is, this is probably worth a lot more than that. King of JV Zoo, valued at $67. I am affiliate bots. I don't use that software much, so I don't really know. Hosting affiliate bot software is worth a lot more than $37. WarriorPlus software worth a lot more than $67. This domain software name is, it can definitely be worth more than that, because if you get the right name, you can sell a domain name, just a name, not even a website, for well more than $500. One click affiliate for site and script, $300. The ranking video for $97. Tell you it's worth a lot more than that. Autoresponder. Let's face it, if anybody knows what an autoresponder is, it's worth a lot more than $47. Most of them start at $15 and work their way up, and that's a monthly subscription. This is a one-time buy. 35 quick start guides. The AI automation, trust me, that is priceless. Months of updates plan, which I'm sure will be worth a lot more than $1,000. So if y'all want to know how much it's going to cost, we'll go down here in a minute and I'll show you. On the other side of the buy button, your new future awaits, filled with automation bunnies. Okay, there are no bunnies, but anyway. But do you get instant access? You do get instant access. You get access to all the new software, bot tools, PDFs. All you gotta do is click the bot now. Something else I love about it, it does have a 60-day money back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, they will give it back. They will give you your purchase price back within 60 days. So you got 2 months to test drive this. And today, you can join today, get all these softwares instantly included. The auto affiliate, rapid video ranker, one click affiliate, Launch Pulse, CB, King of the Zoo, the domain software, WarriorPlus, and AI engine search, along with the Flipper database, the domain, autoresponder, resale rights, one-click video pages, infinite bots. As you see, you get a lot, and you can get it all today for $17. If you like what you've seen and heard, and I'm sure you probably read along as I've been coming down, I'll have a link to this for you in the description. All you got to do is click on it and buy it. And of course it will be an affiliate link. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'll tell y'all point blank. If you want to know more, drop me a comment and I'll try to get back to you. Until we talk tomorrow, appreciate it.